Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up email with Cloudflare. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your Cloudflare, and then you will just have to go to your domain section, and then you will have to select your domain if you already have one. And the next you will just have to go to your email, and then you will just have to click add email routing, and then after that, you will add the destination email where you want to receive messages. And then you will just have to add the source email address using your domain. And you will just have to. And by the way, next the Cloudflare will provide DNS records like MX, TXT, SPF that you must add to your DNS tab, and you will just have to double check that they match exactly. And finally, you will just have to test the setup by sending an email to your domain address and verifying it reaches the destination inbox. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.